Yo, top of the top today, man. Coming with you with this POV video. Today I'm gonna fix my father-in-law, my girl's dad's car. I'm not married, but still my father-in-law, you know what I'm saying? But you already know I gotta connect the beat. But he was having overheating issues, and then the mechanic tried to fuck him over. They made him change his water pump. Yeah, they finessed him. They made him change the water pump and all that shit. So it's a 99 Camry, and then yeah, about to get this shit done. All POV. Let's get it, man. So according to YouTube, it seems pretty simple. So I'm gonna put my oil pan under to try to catch as much of the coolant as possible. A little brake cleaner, take off all the extra gunk of oil. So I believe it's like a 12mm holding this pipe that connects to the housing, which is right here. It's not hot no more. And what's holding the thermostat is three fucking nuts. I ain't got no gloves, man. Let me go see if I can find some. Alright, let's get it. Too long. Hopefully I'm catching it. So I took off this pole that connects to the thermostat housing, which just put a little napkin in there so it can still help with the leak. Now let's get the 10.
Looking at her pretty face, makes me wanna put my phone on airplane mode. Yeah, I'm clocking in it deep. She never met another nigga like this.
So took off that one. Got that one loose. Took off this sensor. Hey. Fuck. So here's the old thermostat right here. Took it out. See if I can get that nut. So this is the old one. Hopefully this is the issue. New one. So this goes like put it back. Man, now I'm just gonna try to put everything back, and the hardest bolt's right here. Damn, man, I'm just topping shit off with some coolant, and call it a day, champ. Hopefully this should fix the issue of his overheating problem. So update on the vlog, champ. The car's running good. I put the AC on. I went down to 110. All the way down to damn near San Pedro. I'm gonna hit that shit back, and that shit hasn't even gone halfway up. So hopefully it doesn't give him any more issues, but I think it's fixed. And yeah, man, the hardest thing was working in a small space. Like, the hardest thing is the nuts, but the actual labor wasn't hard, you know? It was just little nuts. So hopefully it doesn't give him no issues later in the week, and hopefully that shit got fixed, you know? Because like the mechanic finessed them. They said that it was a water pump and a timing belt, yada yada yada. They did that shit, and then that shit was still overheating. Somebody else told me it was a thermostat, and then my girl was like, well, maybe Drewski could fix it for you, you know? And I was like, you know what? All I gotta do is look at a YouTube video. I did. I watched like two videos. Boom, easy money. And took care of the issue. So I'm hoping it holds up, you know? It's a hot day today. So we're on the freeway. Yeah, man. You need a mechanic? Holla at your boy. 1-800-DREWSKI. 1-800-DREWSKI. Alright, fam. Thanks for watching me. Comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.
Yes, sir. Drop two-seater with the top hill. Need a girl to rock real. Queen to call the shots. Give me top. Hit the block. Get the swerving. Swivel on the dick. Spin cycle clean. It's detergent. Put the work in. Whoa. Center stage. Center of attention. Squeezing Minute Maid. Fresh juice on the table.